at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Magandang hapon, maayong hapon, maupay noon to buong Pilipinas. Ilabas na ang pampabuenas dahil nandito na si Ninong Manny. Kaya simulan na ang saya. Kasama sina Paulo Contes, Cookie, Belly at Rupa May Quinto. Many prizes now!
Her name was Lola, she was a showgirl with yellow feathers in her hair and a dress got down there. She would do reggae and do the cha-cha, and while she tried to be a star, so he always headed far across the crowded floor. They worked from 8 till 4. They were young and they had each other. Who could ask for more at the Copacabana? Hottest pagoda of Havana, and the Copacabana. Music and fashion were always a fashion at the Copa. They fell in love. At the Copacabana, the hottest part north of Savannah. At the Copacabana, music and fashion were always a fashion at the Copa. Don't fall in love. Maraming salamat kina Cookie at Belly at siyempre kay Miss Rufa May Quinto. Itodo na natin ang saya dahil nandito na ang pambansang ninong ng Pilipinas, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
We have the right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. These dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have the right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. But somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong to me. It's just another way to say I always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the gabi sa inyong lahat, Pilipinas! At siyempre sa Visayas, Mindanao, maayong gabi ka ninyong tanan! Okay, magandang gabi din sa lahat ng mga nandito sa San Juan Arena! Pati na rin sa kanilang mga bahay, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat! Humanda kayo dahil magpapaula na naman tayo ng sorpresa sa inyo! Simulan natin ang paborito nating kantahan! Okay. Pero bago yan, tayo ko munang tawagin ang maging kasama ko rito, si Anton Diva! Ano pang initay nyo? Mag-boxing na tayo!
If I should love again, if I found someone new, it would be make-believe. For in my heart would be you. And though I hold him close and want him now and then, I'd still be loving you if I should love again. Cookie, sino kasama mo dyan? Cookie?
Ay, eto na, Anton Diva. Kasama ko ngayon si Katrina Velarde ng Laguna. Ayan. So, Katrina, pakitaan mo si Ninong. Ha? Ready? Go.
Oh, my love, you were the only one. Now you're gone and I'm alone. All my friends, they say what's done is done. I pretend, but deep inside I know.
Ay, Katrina, takbo ka na kay Ninong. Moy-moy, palaboy. Ano nangyayari?
Oh, yeah.
Cookie. Ano ba yan? Kasama namin ngayon si Cristina Franco.
Ng Tondo, Manila.
Biritera, biritera.
Oh, sige. Eto na yun.
Ano, bakit ang kilas ka na kay Ninong?
I should love again if I find someone new. It would be make-believe. For in my heart it would be you. And though I hold him close and want him now and then, I'd still be loving you if I should love again.
Yes! Takbo ka na kay Ninong!
Ano na? Paolo! Paolo!
Ano?
Paolo!
Okay, eto. Kasama ko si Marga Hoson ng Bulacan. Tingnan ngayon natin. Marga, kaya mo na yan.
All day long, I keep on remembering. All the night, I think of you. All my life, you'll be the song I sing. I get by, but this I swear is true.
Ang galing, ang gagaling.
Galing.
Kaya naman, dahil magagaling sila, may tag 5,000 na
Hoy!
Agad-agad.
5,000!
5,000.
5,000. 5,000.
5,000!
5,000.
5,000. Hindi dyan nagtatapos. At hindi dyan nagtatapos dahil si Ninong magdadagdag ng 10,000, isa sa kanila kung sinong pinakamagaling bumirit dito. Sa gitna.
Ay.